Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. What can you do if the power button on your Infinix phone is broken, stuck, or simply stopped working? You might think that you can no longer lock the screen, turn the phone on, or restart it normally, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several practical ways to keep using your Infinix phone without relying on the physical power button.